Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Reasons why intruders and trespassers are different. 1. Permission matters. A trespasser enter a property without permission. An intruder may enter while creating fear or disturbance. One forget boundaries, the other unlock dramatic movie music. 2. Intent changes everything. Some people enter accidentally, others act suspiciously or aggressively. Intent helps determine seriousness. 3. Suspicious sneaking, quietly hiding or sneaking around raises concern quickly. If you move like a cartoon ninja at midnight, people will notice. 4. Respect for privacy. Private property exists for safety and personal boundaries. Respecting space helps communities stay peaceful. 5. Fear and panic. Intrusive behavior can make others feel unsafe or uncomfortable. Calm and respectful behavior reduces misunderstandings. 6. Recording without consent. Recording private conversations or space can create privacy concern. Always respect local laws and ask permission when appropriate. 7. Boundaries keep peace. Rules and boundaries help neighbors trust each other. Good fences don't create enemies, they create a peaceful nap. 8. Gossip makes it worse. Small misunderstandings can turn into a giant rumors. 9. Suspicious behavior draws attention. Acting secretive or hiding can make situation look more serious than they are. 10. Safety is important. Communities should stay alert while also remaining respectful and fear. 11. Respect is always the best choice. Good neighbors protect safety without invading privacy or spreading fear. 12. Don't sneak around the rooftop like a mystery villain. Someone keep observing everything around them like a detective. 13. The human CCTV. Some people notice every tiny detail. Awareness is helpful. Constant monitoring of others is uncomfortable. 14. Suspicious voice recording. Respect consent and local privacy laws before recording people. 15. Invading privacy. Watching every move day by day can make people anxious or uncomfortable. Friendly neighborhood energy should feel peaceful, not like a reality show surveillance camera. So next time you'll meet someone acting mysterious, don't jump to conclusion. Maybe just hello politely. And remember, curiosity is normal, but respecting privacy is professional.